When we first laid eyes on the car, it was clear time had not been kind. Thick layers of dust covered every surface. The tires were flat and cracked. Rust bloomed along the edges of the body panels, and the engine bay looked more like a nesting ground for rodents than a place where horsepower once lived. This car hadn't moved in years, possibly decades. Yet beneath the decay was something special. Solid bones, classic lines, and a story waiting to be told again. This is the complete restoration journey, from forgotten relic to fully revived machine. Discovery and initial inspection. The restoration process began with a careful inspection. Before turning a single wrench, we documented everything. The body showed surface rust and deep corrosion in critical areas like the rocker panels and floor pans. The interior was brittle, torn, and sun-faded. Wiring insulation had hardened and cracked. Fluids had long since turned into sludge. Despite its condition, the frame was straight, and the engine appeared complete. That was enough to justify saving it. Restoring a car like this isn't about quick results. It's about patience, precision, and respect for craftsmanship. Safe extraction and transport. Because the car had been sitting for so long, it couldn't simply be driven away. The brakes were seized, the steering stiff, and the suspension locked in place. We carefully freed the wheels, aired up the tires just enough for movement, and used a winch to load it onto a trailer. Transporting an old car is always a delicate process. Any sudden stress can cause brittle components to fail. Once it arrived at the workshop, the real work began. Deep cleaning and disassembly. The first step was a deep clean. Years of grime, oil, and debris were pressure washed from the underside, engine bay, and body. This wasn't about making it look good. It was about revealing the truth. Only after cleaning can you see cracks, rust holes, and previous repairs. Next came disassembly. Every part was removed systematically. Bumpers, trim, lights, glass, interior panels, seats, dashboard, suspension components, drivetrain, and wiring. Each bolt was labeled and bagged. Photos were taken at every stage to ensure accurate reassembly later. Engine teardown and diagnosis. The engine had not been started in years, and trying to crank it without inspection could have caused serious damage. We removed the engine and placed it on a stand for a full teardown. Inside, we found dried gaskets, worn bearings, carbon buildup, and corrosion in the cooling passages. The crankshaft was still usable, but the cylinders required machining. The pistons and rings were replaced, the heads rebuilt with new valves and seals, and the camshaft inspected for wear. Every component was either restored, rebuilt, or replaced with period-correct parts. The goal wasn't to modernize. It was to bring the engine back to how it should have been when it left the factory. Transmission and drivetrain restoration. The transmission told a similar story. Old fluid had broken down, seals were brittle, and synchronizers showed heavy wear. A full rebuild ensured smooth shifting and long-term reliability. The drive shaft, differential, and axles were cleaned, inspected, and resealed. Bearings and bushings were replaced, eliminating play and noise. When the drivetrain was reassembled, it was stronger, quieter, and more efficient than it had been in decades. Suspension and braking system overhaul. A car that hasn't moved in years cannot be safe without addressing suspension and brakes. Every rubber component, bushings, mounts, hoses, was replaced. Springs were restored or replaced depending on condition, and shocks were upgraded to modern equivalents that preserved the original ride feel. The braking system received a full overhaul, new lines, rebuilt calipers, fresh rotors and drums, and a new master cylinder. Old brake fluid absorbs moisture, leading to corrosion and failure, so this step is absolutely critical in any long-term restoration. Bodywork and rust repair. Rust repair is one of the most time-consuming parts of restoration. Corroded panels were cut out and replaced with hand-fabricated steel patches. This wasn't rushed. Each weld was carefully shaped, ground, and sealed to ensure strength and longevity. After repairs, the body was stripped down to bare metal. This revealed hidden imperfections that filler and paint had masked for years. Once corrected, the entire body was coated with epoxy primer to protect it from future corrosion. Paint preparation and refinishing. Paint is where a restoration becomes visible. Countless hours went into sanding, blocking, and aligning panels to ensure perfect gaps and smooth surfaces. We chose a factory-correct color, staying true to the car's original identity. The paint was applied in multiple stages, followed by clear coat and curing. Once hardened, the surface was wet sanded and polished until it reflected light like glass. The result wasn't just shiny, it was authentic. Interior restoration. Inside, the transformation was just as dramatic. The old interior smelled of mildew and decay. Seats were stripped down to their frames, repaired, and reupholstered using period-correct materials. Foam was reshaped for comfort without altering the original design. The dashboard was restored, gauges rebuilt, and all switches cleaned and tested. New carpets and headliner completed the cabin, creating an interior that felt both classic and fresh. Electrical system renewal. Old wiring is one of the biggest risks in vintage cars. Brittle insulation can lead to shorts and fires. The entire wiring harness was either restored or replaced, following original routing and color codes. Every light, sensor, and electrical accessory was tested individually. Once complete, the electrical system was more reliable than it had ever been, without losing its vintage character. Reassembly and first start. Reassembly is where patience matters most. The restored engine and transmission were carefully installed. Fluids were added, systems primed, and final checks completed. The first start is always emotional. After years of silence, the engine fired to life. Oil pressure built instantly, the idle settled, and the sound confirmed months of hard work had paid off. There's nothing quite like hearing a restored engine run for the first time. Road testing and final adjustments. Before calling the project complete, extensive road testing was performed. Suspension alignment, brake balance, engine tuning, and transmission behavior were all fine-tuned. Small issues were addressed as they appeared, minor leaks, rattles, and adjustments. Restoration doesn't end when the car drives. It ends when it drives correctly. The finished result. What was once a forgotten, immobile car is now fully alive again. The paint shines, the engine runs smoothly, and the driving experience feels connected and mechanical in the best way possible. This restoration wasn't about perfection, it was about revival. Every scratch repaired, every bolt tightened, and every system restored tells a story of craftsmanship and respect for automotive history. Cars like this deserve more than storage and neglect. They deserve to be driven, heard, and appreciated. Final thoughts. Restoring a car that hasn't moved in years is never easy. It requires time, money, skill, and patience. But the reward is something truly special, bringing a piece of history back to life. This project proves that no matter how far gone a car may seem, with the right approach and dedication, it can run again, stronger, safer, and more beautiful than ever.